Today, I'm going to address the most concerning question that I see in your DMs and comments. Will your palette change if you will suntan, dye your hair, or wear makeup? My name is Julia Dobkin. I am the founder of Agile Styling, your color and style educator. The answer is no. Color analysis is done once in your lifetime, and the colors are matching to your undertone, not your skin tone. You're absolutely right. Skin tone can get affected by sun, medication, and any other illnesses, but your undertone is under the skin and it will never change. Your palette, basically your GPS for your entire cohesive look. So you can choose your hair color based on the palette. I will recommend it to you. And you will look great. Your face will look fresh. You don't need an extra bright makeup to bring your facial features out. You can choose makeup based on your palette recommendation and look, awesome and good. Of course, your clothing and your jewelry is also recommended by your palette. So in order to build a cohesive and balanced and stylish look, I would actually suggest following the palette recommendation and enjoy styling yourself, because it's going to be super easy and you can build a lot of awesome outfits and a lot of beautiful looks. Bye.